program. Anyway, so most of you, if not, go back and check some of my other videos. I have gutted my wagon. I'm basically making it a race car. So this is what the dash area look like. I'm gonna have a tablet right here, and maybe my nitrous controller will be right there. Maybe it'll be directly beside that. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm gonna have a tablet for that. But that's not the main point. The main point is I have a clutch pedal now. Y'all see that? Yeah. So I have a clutch pedal that is a master cylinder off a 240SX Nissan. The reason I went this route is because in North America, they didn't have 5-speed 940s, but they do exist. The hardware exists. They did it in Europe and places like that. So if you wanted a master cylinder, it would cost you $189 before shipping. A Nissan SX one, you know, a 240SX, that one came straight out of AutoZone, $19.99. So that's how much that costs. The pedal itself, I just cobbled it together out of stuff that I had left over. So yeah, that might have cost me $3 to $5 in material. So we are $25 in, and your boy got a clutch. Now I'm about to go outside and pop the hood and show you the other end. As you can see, because I touched my pedal, it's literally like a little bit of fluid moving right there. But I got it all to fit in. It's a tight fit. This line will go all the way down to the slave cylinder. Slave cylinder is right here. I put those springs just to make sure that those don't fall off when I'm installing. I probably won't have those springs on and off. I had to grind and make that fit. That is off a Ford F350 dually or something like that. But I grinded and radiused it so it's a little bigger and it fits in perfect. So yeah. Now all I gotta do is take these fins from old Russell and make sure it goes into there. Lord help me. Whew. As you can see, that is the fitting that I need. I'm gonna lube it up before I shove the O-ring all the way in there. I don't want it to flip over and roll and then have leaks later on. But yeah, that fitting from Earl's fit. I guess that's their thing. Let's be real. Let's see. That's the parts number. If you're ever trying to do something similar to me. Whew. Man, I needed that to happen. That is a T176 medium duty transmission for a truck. I'm going to have a remote shift. So yeah, if it breaks, I'll just get a T4. Shift locations in the same space on the T4. I can even get a truck T5. So that's probably how it's going to go. But that's what I've been doing. I don't want to make this long. You can see spider webs are starting to try to collect. But yeah, man. Let me get out of here. It's been a good summer of progress. So I'm going to just stay on my grind. And y'all do the same thing. All right? I'm out.